Hey, welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and this is a new little radio that I've got. It was actually on big sale on Amazon Canada with a coupon. It came back to $31. It's back up today to the regular $41.99 or something like that it was before. So I thought I'd take the opportunity with the coupon and use some of that money from the donations to buy new radios that you guys give me. So this is the unboxing of the Greadio, if you want it, or the the Greadio. It says it's real. The radio is a Greadio branded. I've seen a few of those. It's a 3-band receiver, AM, FM, and shortwave. Of course, does not have single sideband. It's the model T26. It reminds me of Terminator for some reason. But so first of all, a very small user manual that is barely a couple of pages, which is enough because it seems to be a very simple receiver to operate here. So this is the manual here, and let's check it out from here. Take it out here. So okay, there is in it a power cord, because this radio can be plugged to the AC outlet directly. It's kind of a little tabletop radio if you want. So this is what's in here. Works with D batteries, so I would guess in a power outage and as a kitchen radio, this could be a very good radio for that. So this is the back of it. The battery compartment is here. Sorry, to really make 4 D batteries in here. So it shows you that it's a bigger radio than most because it actually has the capability of D batteries. And so if we look at the front, this is the front of the receiver. Nice little handle. One of those cheap, little portables. So volume with an on-off switch. Feels good. A low, high tone. A switch for AM, FM, shortwave, and the tuning knob here. So this is going to be interesting to use and tune around with. And of course, telescopic antenna on top. So Greadio T26 is this radio, AM, FM, shortwave, and powers by 4D batteries or power cable from the AC outlet. So more to come, guys. I'm going to start playing around and see how it performs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.